Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best charcoal for smoking in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Jealous Devil All-Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoal. One of the best product packs in a redesigned bag in large pieces with less dust and residue. The hardwoods are 100% natural and from the ultra-dense South American region with no chemicals or scrap material. This charcoal wood is similar to restaurant quality without sparking, popping. It is perfect for the grill, smoker, and Kamado as it produces less ash, keeps the unit clean. Whether cooking whitefish or brisket, use this charcoal alone or blend your favorite wood, it enhances the flavor profile. It offers twice the cooking power, hotter temperature, and far longer burn time. Therefore, it is a mild flavor-enhancing aroma without overpowering the charcoal. Number 2. Our second best pick is Kamado Joe Big Block XL Lump Charcoal. In Kamado, cooking, fire, and smoke are two defining characteristics that provide incredible taste. Argentinian artists make this big block lump charcoal. It is not only large but delivers better burn time, flavor, and smoke. Therefore, it is the perfect alternative for consistent and reliable fuel, making it easy to fire up and flavor your Kamado grill. The 30-pound bag has 100% pure natural charcoal wood. It originated from a blend of hardwood guayacan, guayabi, mezcal, and white quebracho. With 27 hours of burning time, it lights up the grill for slow cooking. This lump of charcoal can be reusable 3 times. Number 3. Our third best pick is FOGO Premium Oak All-Natural Hardwood Lump Charcoal. For perfect grilling and smoking, try this premium blend of all-natural lump charcoal. It consists of 70% of medium-sized pieces and 30% small pieces of the premium lump. It is specially originated from Inga trees. This Inga wood offers the right density for hardness for easy lighting and hot burning performance. FOGO's production process keeps the aromatic essence of Inga wood. It would ensure the food has far more flavor. It is less overcooked during production with respect to other charcoal, giving you a unique wood fire flavor. These lump charcoal are ideal for ceramic charcoal grills like BG, Kamado, Weber Smoky Mountain, and more. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Rockwood All-Natural Premium Hardwood Lump Charcoal. The Rockwood lump charcoal is made from renewable natural resources and not a single harvest in the process or making. This all-rounder charcoal is made from 100% natural and Missouri-grown oak, hickory, maple, and pecan. Moreover, it exclusively includes the hardwood leftover from timber milling. It comes in paper bag packages that are recyclable and landfill safe without producing harmful fumes if they get burned or decomposed. The premium natural Missouri hardwood ensures the best grilling experience by providing a light, smoky flavor that perfectly complements your food. The most important thing is how long it takes to burn, which determines the cooking cost and requires less refilling. This bag comprises large-size charcoal lumps that burn slowly and save on energy costs. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Big CP 20-pound bag of natural lump charcoal. It is made from a blend of hardwoods such as American oak and hickory. This premium lump produces minimal ash waste and delivers the best value of performance. Besides, it gives better tastes without bitter odors and harsh chemicals. Many chefs consider this eco-friendly fuel a secret ingredient that contributes to great flavor. It doesn't contain filler, nitrates, limestone, treated wood, and chemicals. Further, it meets all EPA environmental guidelines and is CE certified. It arrives in a 20 pounds bag that would have enough capacity for grilling over parties and family gatherings. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.